Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to clear junk files on Realme C67 device. Well, junk files, such as temporary files, app chase, and residual files, can accumulate over time and take up valuable storage space on your device. Clearing these files helps to free up space, allowing you to store more important files and apps. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you can open Phone Master menu here. And then you can clean the trash on your device by pressing this option. And then click Clean option. And then please wait for a minute. And then the trash on your device is successfully removed. However, here you can also do the following steps. Please don't press the application that you often use, and then you can select App Info. And then here you can select the storage and chase, and then select Clear Chase here. And then you can do the steps for several applications that you often use. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to clear junk files on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.